Welcome back, Taste Buddies! When I used to sell cookies, these were always the top sellers. Today, I'm sharing my all-time favorite Nutty Chocolate Chip Cookies, inspired by Claire Saffitz's chocolate chip cookie recipe, but with my own special twist. The crucial ingredients are brown butter, good quality vanilla extract, good quality chocolate, walnuts, and my secret ingredient, Brazil nuts. The brown butter and vanilla add a rich butterscotch flavor, while the walnuts provide texture and a subtle bitterness. The Brazil nuts, though a bit unconventional, add an umami kick that makes these cookies irresistible. Feel free to use any nuts you like or leave them out entirely. It's totally up to you. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll make the brown butter. Melt 2 sticks of butter in a pan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the water evaporates. Watch closely as the milk solids sink and begin to brown. Once they turn golden, quickly transfer the butter to a mixing bowl to avoid burning. The milk solids should be dark golden brown, not black. To cool it down quicker, prepare a bowl of ice water and put it underneath your mixing bowl while you start whisking to cool it down. When you start to see solid butter bits in the bottom, remove the ice water bowl and keep whisking until the butter is solidified but still soft. Next, add 150 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of granulated sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt to the bowl. Mix on medium speed until the mixture is well combined and lighter in color. Remember to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl every 30 seconds. Once combined, add 2 cold eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix until the batter is light and fluffy. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, measure out 260 grams of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of sifted baking soda. Mix until roughly combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture while mixing on low speed. As you near the end, stir in your chopped chocolate chips and toasted nuts. Mix until just combined. Do not overmix. If you spot any bits that aren't fully mixed in, use a spatula to fold them in gently. Since the dough is quite loose, chill it in the fridge for about an hour to make it easier to handle. After chilling, the dough should be firmer and more manageable. I like to weigh each cookie for consistency, but a cookie scoop works great too. Shape each cookie into a ball, about 50 grams each, and place them on a baking sheet or in a container. Let the cookie dough rest in the fridge overnight so the flavors can fully develop. The next day, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For a final touch, add an extra chocolate chip on top of each dough ball to make them look extra tempting. I suggest baking 1 cookie first to see how it spreads, as this dough tends to spread quite a bit. In the next clip, I'll show you what happens when you bake 7 cookies on 1 pan. Yep, don't do that. Instead, aim for about 3 cookies per pan. I baked mine for 17 minutes, but you can bake them a bit longer if you prefer a firmer center. Let them cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes before serving, and there you have it. My go-to nutty chocolate chip cookies that are sure to impress anyone who tries them. They are crispy on the edges, chewy in the middle, and offer a flavor profile that sets them apart from your regular chocolate chip cookie. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time.